We have an example of my mother talking with my son, and it was a great grandmother-grandson exchange that was around a single vintage photo of her from the 1940s that she was able to kind of impart not only some historical relevance, but also this really colorful exchange that lasted for probably 45 minutes to an hour on just that one photo. I can't get my soul. Have you discovered any secret about how to cull those specific photos out?
I probably err on the side of keeping more than I probably need to, but I'm also looking not just at individual photos of the individual's very posed photographs, but I like to keep a photograph that kind of tells a story. You know, the covered dish dinner at a family reunion kind of thing. Yeah. I love those. They're casual. They're anything. I'm not looking for those perfect photos from a photography standpoint. I'm looking for life photos.
Great.